In today's video, I will walk you through how to use texture hair in Krita. To use texture hair, select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Then open the brush presets docker, usually located on the right side of the Krita interface. In the search box, type texture hair. Once the texture hair brush preset appears, click it to select the brush. Next, adjust the brush size from the top toolbar. Increase the size value for thicker and wider hair texture or decrease the size value for finer and more detailed hair strands. The texture hair brush in Krita is useful for adding hair strands, fur textures, and detailed hair effects. It is a good choice when creating character designs, animal fur, hairstyles, or adding natural-looking hair details to artwork. Use a larger brush size when creating thicker hair areas, and use a smaller brush size when adding fine strands and precise details. After selecting the texture hair brush and adjusting the size, you can start applying hair texture effects to your artwork in Krita. And that's how to use texture hair in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.